Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best rug hooking frames is probably one of the most important tools for rug hooking enthusiasts, ensuring a smooth and efficient crafting process. Choosing the right frame can significantly impact your experience, from the ease of setup and adjustment to the overall quality and durability of your finished rug. In this video, we'll explore the key features to look for when selecting a rug hooking frame, helping you find the perfect fit for your skill level and project needs, ultimately leading to beautifully crafted rugs. Number 5. NODOCA Rug Tufting Frame Kit. This is the all-new NODOCA Rug Tufting Frame Kit, perfect for crafting enthusiasts. It's made from durable, hand-welded aluminum for superior stability and longevity. Setting up this frame is a breeze. It takes only 10 minutes, and everything you need is included. We even provide helpful videos if you need assistance. It's not just for rug tufting. It's also great for punch needle, tapestry, and embroidery projects. One frame for many different crafts. This frame is incredibly sturdy. Rigorous testing ensures it remains stable, even during intense use. You can trust it to support your work. It's designed to accommodate various fabric sizes, up to 53.5 x 44.1. The adjustable design makes it perfect for any project. This frame is protected by design and pending invention patents. We're committed to providing high-quality, innovative products for your crafting needs. What we like? It boasts a robust aluminum build for lasting durability and stability. Assembly is a breeze, taking only 10 minutes. This frame isn't just for tufting, it's perfect for various crafts, making it a versatile addition to your creative space. If you value a sturdy, easy-to-use, and multifunctional frame, this is the one for you. What people say? It's really light, so I can easily move it. It's exactly the right width for my supply of cloth. I had a lot of wastage with the smaller frame. The fabric is tight when stretched. No tearing no matter how tight you go. Number 4. Aluminum Tufting Frame Kit. This innovative kit is made from durable, hand-welded aluminum, providing superior stability compared to traditional wooden frames. It's the perfect upgrade for your rug-making projects. Setup is a breeze. The kit includes all necessary accessories, detailed instructions, and tools. You'll be tufting in just 10 minutes. It's not just for tufting. It's also great for punch needle, tapestry, and other craft projects. This versatile frame is a must-have for any crafter. Rigorously tested for strength, it stands firm and prevents thread jamming, even during intense use. Say goodbye to wobbly frames. Easily adjust the frame to accommodate various fabric sizes up to 53.5 foot x 44.1. It offers maximum flexibility for your creative needs. This innovative frame is patent pending, showcasing its unique design and superior quality. You're getting a truly cutting-edge product. What we like? This frame is constructed from durable aluminum, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of your projects. It's incredibly easy to assemble, saving you valuable time. The extra-large size allows you to work on bigger projects. If you need a large, sturdy, and quick-to-assemble frame, this is the ideal choice. What people say? It comes with so many screws to hold the cloth into frame, but the edges are sharp lol, but luckily they provide light covers for it so it works. It was together within 30 minutes. It's also very light, but without complete disassembly it does not store well. It has 2 yarn holders and 2 yard threads to keep you untangled. You can move them to wherever makes sense to you. The construction is solid, sturdy, well-jointed corners, and smooth surfaces that make it easy to work around without snagging yarn or tools. It holds tension really well, which is crucial when you're tufting for long sessions. Number 3. Riiai Tufting Frame. Introducing the Riiai Tufting Frame, designed for easy rug making. It's simple to set up and use, saving you time and effort. This frame comes with all the necessary hardware for quick assembly. Just attach it to your table and you're ready to start creating. With its practical size, it fits many standard tables. It's ideal for tufting and displaying your DIY art. Made from high-density wood with a smooth, polished finish, it's built to last. Enjoy its durability for years to come. Use it for tufting, sewing, embroidering, and more. It's perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike. What we like? This frame offers a classic wooden construction known for its charm and durability. It's designed for simple assembly, getting you started quickly. Its compact size is perfect for tabletop use, making it ideal for smaller spaces. If you prefer a smaller, easy-to-assemble wooden frame for tabletop work, this is a great option. What people say. This was easy to put together without any help. Great size for a beginner and easy to use, and comes with everything I needed to start my first tufted design. The pre-drilled holes made it that much easier to work with. The directions had a great diagram to follow. This frame is great size and pretty sturdy. The quality is great, it's sturdy, it works well with the cloth, tools to set up was included. Number 2. Edmunds Latch Hook Rug Frame. This beautiful frame is perfect for your next latch hook rug project. It's made from high-quality American hardwoods and is designed to hold rugs of various sizes. It's crafted with pride in the USA using durable American hardwoods. You can trust in its quality and construction. It's incredibly versatile. It can accommodate rugs from small projects to large, ambitious creations. This handy tray keeps all your threads organized and within easy reach, making your crafting experience smoother and more enjoyable. Simply place your rug canvas in the frame and start latch hooking. It's that easy. Your new rug may have some creases when it arrives. Don't worry, just give it some time to relax and settle. What we like? Made from high-quality American hardwoods, it provides a sturdy and reliable base for your projects. It accommodates rugs of various sizes, up to 50 inches wide. Plus, it comes with a handy storage tray for your threads. If you value quality, craftsmanship, and convenience, and want a frame made in the USA, this is perfect for you. What people say. The wood is cut well, nicely finished, and the holes for bolts and screws matched up perfectly. It does help to read all the instructions prior to assembly. I love that it allows me to be able to organize my supplies and not have to continually unpack and repack everything to work on my project. Number 1. Hand-U Journey Punch Needle Frame. Get ready to unleash your creativity with this fantastic punch needle frame. It's the perfect tool to bring your rug hooking projects to life. This frame is built to last, providing a sturdy and reliable surface for your crafting. You'll appreciate its durability as you work on your projects. The 10x14 size is ideal for a variety of projects, offering ample space for your designs. It's perfectly sized for comfortable crafting. No need for extra prep work. It comes pre-covered with monk's cloth, so you can start creating right away. Just add your yarn and begin. Experience the pleasure of working with 100% cotton monk's cloth. It's soft, durable, and perfect for achieving beautiful results. Enjoy the smooth texture under your needle. This set includes 2 frames, doubling your crafting possibilities. You can work on multiple projects simultaneously or have a spare on hand. What we like? This frame comes pre-covered with monk's cloth, saving you a step in the process. Its compact size is perfect for smaller projects or beginners. It's ideal for smaller projects and those new to rug hooking. If you are a beginner or prefer a smaller, ready-to-use frame, this is a great starting point. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.